Hello everyone and welcome back to Tenorshare AI's channel. Adobe Acrobat is a very comprehensive PDF reader. Currently, Adobe Acrobat has introduced AI assistants, which can help to greatly improve the efficiency of our work and study. Today this video we will introduce how to use Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant in academic research. The first thing. What is Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant? It allows you to ask questions to the document and get related answers. When I do my academic research, I usually use it to generate abstracts of essays and ask it questions in order to get important information quickly. Currently, Acrobat AI Assistant is not free. First we have to come to the official website of Acrobat, click Learn More. Slide to the bottom, we can see that it costs $4.99 per month to add AI Assistant to Adobe Acrobat Reader, Standard or Professional Edition. Do you think this is a reasonable fee? Let me know in the comments section. If you don't want to spend the money, we'll also recommend a free alternative to Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant, so hang in there until the end. Now that we have Adobe Acrobat open, we can see AI Assistant in the upper right corner. Click on it. Now we can see this PDF's overview here, and recommended questions, as well as the dialog box. Let's try this. I want to ask what are the top challenge this company faces. Soon I can get the answer, and in the answer there are references. Just click on the number, we can jump to the original position in this paper. Of course there are more efficient ways to summarize. Just click on the first button here to get the generative summary. We can see the contents, executive summary, key analysis, and findings and so on. This is really convenient. Although Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant is very easy to use, it still costs a lot of money from buying Adobe Acrobat to adding AI Assistant. So we will introduce you to a free alternative to Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant, Tenorshare AI. Tenorshare AI is a very easy to use tool. It is used in the same way as Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant. You ask the questions and it gives you the answers. There are also recommended questions here that can help you open your mind. You can upload all the files you need and then ask the question and he will find the appropriate answer from those files. In addition, Tenorshare PDF AI also supports multi-language. It is really convenient for multi-language users. So that is for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.